Did you know that some of the best trial lawyers in New York, when they cross-examine a defense medical expert, that they will often get the doctor to accept and to admit and to acknowledge a few key questions? You want to know what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, let's say this is a medical malpractice case. The defense has put on their medical expert to oppose everything that we are claiming. Now, the defense lawyer has finished questioning his expert. The judge now gives me an opportunity to stand up and begin cross-examination. One of the first things I'm going to do, cross-examining this doctor, is to make a statement and then get the doctor to admit and to acknowledge what I've just said. Doctor, in just a moment, I'm going to be asking you a series of questions. If you don't understand my questions, will you agree to tell me that before answering it? Yes or no? Doctor, when I ask you a question, if you cannot answer the question, will you agree not to answer the question and to simply tell me you cannot answer the question? Yes or no? Doctor, if you have difficulty answering my question, will you simply tell me that you cannot answer the question in the way I phrased it, rather than trying to give an explanation? Yes or no? Now, what am I doing here? What I'm doing is laying the ground rules. I'm laying the ground rules to establish the framework of what I want this doctor to do. So now if I ask a key question, a blockbuster question, I know the doctor is going to try and wiggle his way out of it. But if I get him to admit in the very beginning that he agrees to tell me certain things, he agrees not to answer the question if he doesn't understand it, now I can go ahead and use that to show that the doctor is being unreasonable. Doctor, would you agree that it's improper to go ahead and do A, B, and C? Well, let me tell you why I think it's not a proper thing to do. Doctor, can you answer the question the way I phrased it? Yes or no? Well, let me explain to you. Doctor, I didn't ask for an explanation. Remember at the very beginning of my questioning, you made a promise to me that if you didn't understand my question, you would then ask me to rephrase it. Did you understand the question I just asked? Yes or no? If you don't understand it, you know I'm going to rephrase the question. So what is it, doctor? Do you understand the question I just posed? Is it appropriate for a doctor to do A, B, and C? Yes or no? I'm going to bring him right back to the promises that he made to me at the very beginning when I stood up to cross-examine him. And that's why you will find that the best lawyers in New York will get the doctor to admit and to accept the ground rules of the questions as we go forward. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a medical malpractice trial here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.